Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ine Black, and guys, today I'll be visiting the veterinary located in Jos Plateau State. I have a pet. Her name is Cindy. Cindy is not feeling fine, so we had to go see the vet doctor. So this is us walking into the premises. The first thing you're going to do is to get a folder, and after that you're going to be directed to see a doctor. So this is what the University of Jos Veterinary looks like. It is a very busy and beautiful place. When we walked in here, we saw other dogs as well. Some of them came for vaccines, some of them came for deliveries and all of that. Cindy was diagnosed to have fever, tick fever, and they had to give her some injections.
The next day.